Welcome to Mathenatic. We are revising content for paper 1. So here we have 7, x, y, and negative 11. And we are told that this is an arithmetic sequence. And we want to determine the values of x and y. So remember, an arithmetic sequence can be represented by Tn. And we have the formula of a plus n minus 1 multiplied with d. Also, what we know is that the difference between terms is consistent. Other information that we have from this sequence is that the first term is equal to 7. And because we have the first term, we also have the value of a. So what I did here for term 2 and term 3, I represented it in terms of our general term. So we know that a is 7. We know for term 2 we'll replace the n with a 2. So therefore 7 plus n minus 1d can be simplified to 7 plus d, and that is equals to x. And for term 3 we have 7 plus 3 minus 1d, or 7 plus 2d, and that is equal to y. So now I have x and y in terms of d. And then we can move on to term 4, which is negative 11. So we'll have 7 plus 4 minus 1d, so I'm using this general term. And that simplifies to 7 plus 3d is equals to negative 11. And do you notice for term 4, we actually only have one variable. So we can have 7 plus 3d is equals to negative 11. And that will allow me to solve for d. So I move the 7 to the right hand side, and that becomes minus 18. And then I divide both sides by 3. So d is equal to negative 6. And can you see, because we have the value of d and equations for x and y in terms of d, then we can find those values. So for x, we replace d with negative 6. So x is 7 minus 6, and that is equals to 1. And for y, we replace the d with negative 6. So it's 7 minus 12, and that is equal to negative 5. And that is how we solve the values of x and y. Thank you for watching. Support us by liking and subscribing to Mathenatic. Check out our Digistore for math study notes, with free downloads for statistics and financial math. Follow the link in the video description.